Hello, summer, and welcome to 3 Moose Lane in Hallowell. For all my hybrid drivers, that's 48 miles to Portland. For all my state workers, that's 12 minutes to the capital. And to all my downtown foodie types, we are just 2.9 miles to the Riverfront eateries in Hallowell. Have you ever been to Hallowell? Let's take 15 seconds. I want to take you there. A charming main street made for walking, a waterfront that is so beautiful to sit by, and so many great food options to enjoy. Speaking of amazing food, I didn't just pick this because it matches my outfit, but this local all-organic PB&J is so good. There is always something so charming about waterfront towns in Maine. Now, let's take it back to the tour. Efficiency and comfort are the name of the game for this house. Let's check it out inside. On these summer days, the AC from the heat pump feels so good, and for those cozy Maine winters, we have a pellet stove for its efficiency and radiant floor heating in the slab for a backup. Additionally, we have laundry right off the kitchen. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. This single floor living is perfect for so many different types of people looking to have that modern, clean, move-in ready home. Such a feeling of calm and peacefulness when I visit this property. Whether it's the sloping driveway or the canopy that surrounds this lush green grass, this is a truly remarkable property that I cannot wait to show you. But right now, all I'm thinking about is heading back downtown Hallowell to eat more of that delicious food. Thanks for watching. We'll see you right here.